Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, what I have in front of you is a battery kit for my wife's old tablet. The one tablet I had no longer works very well. It's very slow, and so my wife uses her phone all the time, and this was kind of the next step up from the tablet I had, and I just can't bring myself to use a phone. I got a pretty old phone as it is. This is probably newer than my phone, but in that case, because I don't enjoy using my phone to really look at anything, I'm gonna go ahead and put a new battery in this. I will put the price below. I believe we got it probably off Amazon. I'm not sure where we got it from and how much, but I'll probably try and put that all below if I can find it. But I'm going to show you the kit that I got sent to me, and hopefully we can put it in the tablet here. And here it is out of the package. I'm not sure if I should show the serial number, not like it really matters, but it is the model number SMT713, and it has 32 GBs, so gigabytes I believe. It's got a little camera. I don't know. Better than the one I have, but the battery keeps dying on it. That's why my wife started using her phone. So like I said, she got a new phone and uses her phone a lot, and so I'm going to put a battery in this and see if I can make it work. So the kit comes with all the tools you supposedly need to do this, and a new battery. So I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to not worry about numbers because honestly, who cares? Somebody could probably do something with it, but it's old. Nobody's going to want to steal it, and quite honestly, I don't do much of anything with these, let alone putting any information on them. I assume with these little screwdriver kits and pry bars and a little suction cup and what looks like a guitar pick, we're going to probably do some unscrewing and prying, but I'm not seeing a lot of screws on here anywhere as of right this second. So unfortunately, it also did not, that I can see, come with any kind of instructions of what to do with these tools. So we are going to try and figure it out. Apparently, we are gonna all but break this thing open. It basically just pries open, it appears. So I'm going to work my way at this. I got this little pick here. It's fairly thick, but it's got a real thin edges on it, and supposed to be able to get down in here and pry up on things, but I question whether or not these tools are going to work, to be honest. I think we're going to need some, there's other prying tools as well, but I'm honestly thinking we are going to go the metal route. I'll try this one more, but these plastic ones just aren't thin enough to get down in here. So I'm going to take the little screwdriver that comes with it, hopefully not kill it. And really, I don't know if you can see any of this. I'm going to really jam it down in here and start the prying part here. And yes, it is going to booger up to some extent. Now that I got it somewhat pried open with that, I'm going to go ahead and try and use the tool that they planned on using from the beginning here. And that broke off inside. So now I get a, nope, that broke off too. I'm going to take one of these other ones that they gave just to see if it'll work this way. I'm going to try this one here. Nope, these things are just junk. Seems like around these is where it's kind of the hardest. Alright, well, I'm going to go back to the middle screwdriver for this little bit here, because there's definitely something keeping it going from this area here. There we go. That was a bit of a fight, and their tools definitely didn't work so well, so I personally would get it started. If you get the same kit I do, maybe even go find yourself a little bigger flat screwdriver to start with. This actually started the corner pretty well, but these tools just don't have the gumption to get to it. I broke all these pieces off. There's a little bit left of that one, but once you get it going, you can use the bigger pry bar. It came with 2 of those, so save one, because you need one for the battery, I believe, to try and get this thing out of here. Now we got our battery here, and right over in this corner is the piece you got to use this and pop it up. So I would suggest being careful. There's an arrow over here. I'm going to go from that side first and see. No, I don't want to. I'm going to go from the big side here. Okay. It appears to have unplugged. And we should be able to just pull this out, I think. So we got this unplugged here, and I think I've seen other ones where there was screws, but I do not believe there's any screws in this one holding it down, but I could be wrong. But it definitely feels like it's maybe glued down. Yeah, this is the nerve-wracking part. I wonder if it... Nope, those things are such junk. I would not suggest this kit. Find a kit that has the metal tools or better tools. I'm going to Gee, Christmas. Oh, I think I probably broke it. Nope. Oh, that was nerve-wracking. It actually has just sticky stuff all along here and here, or the battery acid's leaking out and I shouldn't be touching it. But yeah, there's sticky. That's all this has. So this one does not have screws or anything. They stuck it down, so hopefully everything goes well. I don't think I broke anything that I can see. Luckily I didn't break the screen here. Make sure I get all the little parts and pieces that I broke from the tools out of here. And then we're going to take the new one here and let it plop down. Oh, wait, don't put it in the wrong way like I just did. Plop down this direction. And then we take this, should clip into the clips, which it's very much not in the exact same place here. So even just putting that on there, in there, just kind of stuck it down a little bit. So I'm going to honestly put this on here first and push it on. Okay, hopefully you saw that. There wasn't a whole lot to see there. It doesn't really fit in the hole very well, so I got to hold that down and kind of get it in there. So, oh, there we go. That just pushed down quite a bit more now. Hopefully I didn't break anything. We'll see. Well, I don't have very much light, and I'm on a table by one of my chargers because I don't have any long ones here. And it actually does say it's taking a charge, as you can see, but it also says it's 72%. So I don't know why it's not coming on. There we go. I just didn't hold the button long enough, probably. I was able to charge it. Gotta remember to hold this a little bit longer. It takes a little while for this thing to turn on. But now that it's off, I'm going to flip that back around. We got this all where it needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and put the back in. So I'm just starting. It really does go around this. I thought it went underneath this, but it does go around. So the whole thing just kind of sits in there and somehow pushes on. There we go. It's just got like little clips or something that snap in. Worried about breaking the lens here. You have to push very hard. This side doesn't want to pop in there as well. Until that's where I kind of pushed it up. This side popped in really good. The rest of it, I'm not hearing the popping noise so much. I'm going to actually put it on a more solid counter here. There we go. This is nerve-wracking, I'll be honest with you. But I guess, worst case scenario, I have a broken thing that doesn't work anyway, somewhat. Oh, that does not seem like it's coming down very well. Could be. Some of the tabs might have broke, I don't know. Of course I'm filming, so this is not going to go well. There goes some of those popping good. Well, I think I got it on now. I had a lot of trouble with this corner lining up, and then I finally kind of started just giving it a whack with my soft part of my hand here, and there's actually some that popped in this area here, and now it's not coming up. For a while I could not get this corner right, and I kind of bent it up, got it in there, and just kind of pushed it in, and then got these ones that were kind of in this area to pop in. So now I think, for all intents and purposes, we are finally working. Hopefully I didn't break anything. We'll see if I broke anything. Looks like things are working. Alright, well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, and I'm obviously master of none. You all have a good one.